As we step into 2025, the global economic landscape is brimming with challenges and opportunities. The world has seen unprecedented changes in recent years. Pandemics, technological disruptions, geopolitical tensions, and environmental crises. These shifts have redefined the way businesses operate, governments function, and individuals plan their financial futures. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the economic predictions for 2025, exploring where the global market is heading, the key trends shaping the future, and how you can position yourself to benefit from these changes. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, projects global GDP growth at 3.2% in 2025. While this marks a steady recovery from the pandemic-induced slowdown, growth disparities between regions are stark. Advanced economies like the United States and Europe are stabilizing. Driven by strong consumer spending and technological advancements. However, emerging markets, particularly in Asia, continue to lead global growth. Nations like India and Indonesia are projected to grow at rates exceeding 6%, fueled by robust infrastructure development, a young workforce, and digital transformations. On the other hand, China, traditionally a growth powerhouse, faces challenges such as demographic shifts and slowing exports. In contrast, regions like Africa and Latin America are grappling with inflation, debt crises, and climate-related disruptions. However, their abundant natural resources and growing middle-class populations present significant long-term potential. The Middle East remains heavily reliant on oil revenues, but a pivot towards diversification, investing in sectors like renewable energy, tourism, and technology, is gradually gaining momentum. Inflation continues to dominate headlines as central banks worldwide strike a delicate balance between economic growth and price stability. In 2025, inflation in advanced economies is expected to stabilize around 3%, down from the highs of the past 2 years. This stabilization is attributed to supply chain improvements, reduced energy costs, and tighter monetary policies. However, countries like Turkey, Argentina, and Venezuela still face double-digit inflation, impacting their economic stability. Interest rates are another critical factor shaping the global economy. The Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank are projected to maintain moderate hikes, keeping rates within a range of 3 to 5%. These adjustments aim to manage inflation while avoiding a slowdown in economic activity. Emerging economies face a more complex scenario. Higher rates may attract foreign investments, but also increase the cost of borrowing. This dynamic could create debt repayment challenges for nations heavily reliant on external financing. The technological revolution is arguably the most significant driver of economic change in 2025. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are reshaping industries, enhancing productivity, and creating new revenue streams. The global AI market is expected to surpass $500 billion this year, with applications ranging from healthcare diagnostics and autonomous vehicles to financial analytics and smart cities. Blockchain technology is also gaining traction beyond cryptocurrencies. Its use in supply chain management, secure voting systems, and decentralized finance, DeFi, is unlocking new economic opportunities. Meanwhile, 5G connectivity is expanding digital access, enabling more people to participate in the digital economy. The green technology sector is another critical area of growth. With nations striving to meet their climate goals, investments in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and carbon capture technologies are surging. This transition not only addresses environmental concerns, but also creates jobs and stimulates economic growth. Geopolitical tensions continue to cast a shadow over the global economy. The US-China rivalry is now a defining feature of international relations, with repercussions for global trade, technology, and investment flows. Tariffs, export controls, and trade agreements are reshaping supply chains, forcing companies to diversify their operations across multiple regions, In Europe, the ongoing war in Ukraine remains a critical concern, impacting energy prices and economic stability. The European Union's focus on energy independence and military spending is diverting resources from other areas of economic growth. Similarly, political instability in regions like the Middle East and parts of Africa poses challenges to economic development. However, there are opportunities within these challenges. Regional trade agreements, such as the African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA, and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, RCEP in Asia, aim to boost economic cooperation and reduce dependency on Western markets. These agreements could pave the way for more balanced global economic growth. As the global economy evolves, several sectors stand out as lucrative investment opportunities. Renewable energy remains a top priority, with solar, wind, and hydrogen technologies attracting significant capital. Governments and private players are pouring billions into building sustainable infrastructure, creating a fertile ground for long-term returns. The healthcare sector is another area of focus. The COVID-19 pandemic underscored the importance of healthcare innovation, leading to advancements in telemedicine, personalized medicine, and biotech. With an aging global population and rising health awareness, this sector offers immense growth potential. In the technology space, AI, robotics, and cybersecurity are key areas to watch. As companies and governments become more reliant on digital systems, the demand for secure, efficient, and scalable solutions is skyrocketing. Additionally, the real estate market is experiencing a shift, with suburban and rural areas gaining popularity as remote work becomes a permanent feature of the modern workforce. Despite the opportunities, 2025 is not without its risks. The looming threat of climate change continues to disrupt economies, causing billions of dollars in damages through extreme weather events. Without substantial global cooperation, these challenges will only intensify, straining resources and limiting economic growth. Debt is another pressing concern. Many developing nations are burdened with unsustainable debt levels, limiting their ability to invest in critical areas like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. If left unaddressed, these issues could lead to a cascade of defaults, destabilizing the global financial system. Finally, the rise of automation and AI presents a paradox. While these technologies boost productivity and create new industries, they also displace traditional jobs, leading to socioeconomic inequalities. Policymakers must prioritize upskilling and reskilling programs to ensure that workers can adapt to these changes. In this ever-changing economic landscape, individuals must adopt proactive strategies to secure their financial future. Diversifying investments across sectors and geographies can help mitigate risks. Consider allocating funds to high-growth areas like technology and renewable energy, while maintaining a balanced portfolio with safer assets like bonds and index funds. Building financial literacy is equally important. Understanding concepts like inflation, compound interest, and risk management empowers individuals to make informed decisions. Online resources, financial advisors, and educational platforms can be valuable tools in this journey. Additionally, developing in-demand skills can safeguard against job displacement. Fields like data science, renewable energy, and healthcare offer promising career prospects. Continuous learning and adaptability are crucial in staying relevant in an increasingly competitive job market. As we navigate through 2025, the global economy presents a complex mix of challenges and opportunities. While geopolitical tensions, inflation, and climate change pose significant risks, advancements in technology, renewable energy, and healthcare offer avenues for growth and innovation. By staying informed and proactive, individuals and businesses can position themselves to thrive in this dynamic environment.